This is Jeremy at Matrix Integrated in Bend, Oregon again, showing you the completed install of the Agile ACGB 48.9 gallon fuel tank upgrade. So again, complete replacement tank for the factory. You can see how the tank has been extended to the driver's side body rail. That's how ACGB gets the almost double extra fuel capacity from factory. Take a look from this other angle here. So again, complete replacement tank. Now, you'll notice, as you look up under here, that there's some room to add steps like amp steps or luminous steps. However, for Rebels or STOs or any other camper van that already has gray tanks, gray water tank, anything else along this driver's side body rail, this ACGB fuel tank upgrade will not work because the gray tank, for example on a Rebel or a Storyteller, is in the way. So for any of you with a Rebel or a Storyteller that want to upgrade fuel capacity, see our two videos of the Agile 28 gallon auxiliary tank, which goes in the spare tire well back here. So again, the Agile 28 gallon auxiliary tank goes back here. Now could you theoretically pair the ACGB with the Agile 28 gallon auxiliary rear? Yes, you certainly could. Also to note, the VS30 907 chassis, 2019 and newer, are a 48.9 gallon ACGB. The ACGBs for the NCV3 or 906 chassis, so up to 8 from 2007 to 2018, the capacity of those for the 144 wheelbase excuse me, is 47.5 gallons. For the 170 NCV3, it's 58 gallons. For all VS30s 907 chassis from 19 and newer, whether it has a 144 wheelbase or 170 wheelbase, they're all this 48.9 gallon. That is because the transmission on the VS30 907s is the 722.9 7-speed, which is longer rearward than the 722.6 5-speed that stopped after 2018. So again, to recap, all 907 VS30s, whether it be 144 or 170 wheelbase, get this 48.9 gallon. If it's an NCV3 906 chassis from 2007 to 2018, it would be a 47.5 gallon for the 144 wheelbase or a 58 gallon for the 170 wheelbase. So again, Jeremy, Matrix Integrated in Bend, Oregon, showing you the ACGB fuel tank upgrade for the Mercedes Sprinters, Freightliner Sprinters, Dodge Sprinters. Have any questions? Check us out at www.matrixintegrated.cc. Thanks.